Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make sound regions area in your Roblox Studios game. So firstly open up Roblox, then head to My Games. From here open the game you want to add your sound regions into. And now let the game load first. So now the game I'll add sound regions in has been loaded. So now in the toolbox section under models tab, we will search for sound regions, and now we have found all the sound regions that we can add to our game. So I'll just select any one of them, this one. So now the sound regions has been added to the game, and whenever we stand on any of these two pedestals, different musics will play. So now we have to head to workspace, then click on the area, which is essentially these two areas. There is also a script file in here which we have to put in the starter character script. So we'll drag it and take it to starter players first, and then drag it to the starter character script. This script basically controls the music playing function for each block, which you can see in here. And after that, you will see that these two separate areas are responsible for playing the music. They both have a sound ID within them, which you can change at your will. So right now I will add a custom sound in them. So I'll head to the audio tab and search for sound. Now a lot of sounds has appeared in here. I'll just take this sound, click on the magnifying glass, then the three dot, then copy asset ID, and now I'll just select any one of these areas and change the audio ID within them by going to the properties, then heading to sound ID. Now paste the ID in here. So now if I click on the play button and head over to the purple pedestal that I changed my sound, you will hear that the sound I just added is playing. And this is playing the default sound it came with. You can change the sounds for both of these pedestals, and you can also add more than just two pedestals and divide them in your world. So that's how you can add sound region in your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.